Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the Execulink TV app on your smart TV or TV streaming device. Please note that in order to use the Execulink TV app, you must first be a subscriber of Execulink's TV service. You must also have a device that is compatible with the Execulink TV app. To find out if your device is compatible, go to execulink.ca/ways to watch. The screens shown in this tutorial will look slightly different dependent on your device, but the overall steps will remain the same. Okay, let's get started. First, turn on your TV and your streaming device if necessary. Navigate to the App Store or Play Store on your device. Search for Execulink TV. Click Install to install the app. Then click Open to open it. When Execulink TV starts, you will be asked to enter your user code and passcode. Your user code and passcode can be found on your My Execulink customer portal. Log into My Execulink and select the Services tab, then TV. Your user code and passcode is displayed under the Helpful Hints section on the right. Once entered, you are now ready to start enjoying the Execulink TV app. Thanks so much for watching.